brainstorming is mainly about the general aspects of management of life, including taxation and other how to behave with the media, how to behave with the colleagues, and then the second session usually talks more about self, how to detect yourself and what are the strengths and weaknesses, and then what are the traits, all kind of things. So we will be speaking about all this. Mainly the concept is that the life is designed to fail. Means if you don't do anything, you are destined to fail. This concept you need to remember all the time. So to make a failure to a success is the leadership, nothing else. So what all is required for a failure to get on to the success level, that's what is all about leadership. It is not about competing, not about occupying a chair, not about going for a position or anything like that. So this, unless anyone, and you first sit down yourself and write down what is success for you, and then discuss with your close friends. Again, your requirement will occur about the success. So first of all, you should know what is your goal. Unless you don't know the aim, where will you target? The target should be there to hit it. And then what is the roles of leaders? Leaders is not like someone who is prime minister and then what he is playing. He is also a leader. But what are the roles? Unless the prime minister knows what he is supposed to do, he will not be able to do anything rather than obeying the commands, right? So it has multiple perspectives, because a leader is one who can give the direction. It may be a leader of your family. We are, as an individual, we are leaders of ourselves first of all, right? For us to get one direction, we need to lead ourselves. The second is family, then other things. And for a leader to give direction to a larger, bigger group, it really requires a conviction. Means internal strength. And a person with a strong conviction can give direction. You can see a lot of strong people also who has given directions in different directions actually. It is for good, it is for bad as well. Take Osama bin Laden. Is he a leader or he is not a leader? He is a strong leader, very strong leader. He has almost directed all the masses for war against something, right? But his direction is in a wrong direction. Okay. Same thing with Mahatma Gandhi. He has really directed the minds of the people, and his direction is based on a strong conviction. And there is a lot of opposition for his non-violence movement. At that time, non-violence, nobody believed that it will shake the British. Unless he strongly believes himself, he would not have led the whole country towards independence. So the basic point with strong leaders is their conviction and their belief. And such kind of people are the real catalyst for a change. Like these elections happening and everyone asking for change. Really, you do stop them and ask, what change do you require? They fumble. Because they are asking, this is a strong word. Wherever you see, whoever asks for change is a good thing. But are you really asking for a change? In which direction? And what are the different things? Then the real things will come out. Then what are the benefits of leadership? Yes, you can occupy a chair, you can travel free, you stay free, and you can with a lot of companies will help you. This is a leadership understanding in general, right? But that is not the target of LDP. Here, leadership is for self-discipline, self-awareness, self-improvement, self-management. For self, these are all the components which need to be practiced day to day, hour to hour basis. So first awareness is that. So if 13 of you, anyone is coming from the other part, you can walk away straight away. So don't expect that. Then the immediate family. As you become better, immediate family will also benefit, because you are, if you have 2 kids, 3 kids, or your wife and relatives, you can give them a direction. See, you strive for this. If not 100%, 20-30%, even if the practice for that good, it is happening good for the society. And if someone takes up your cause, again there is another generation passage of good cause will be there. May not be your family, ancestors. You can see someone in the society may get stimulated by you. A lot of, without knowing, it is not most anyone's self like that, but without knowing, many people have taken retina as specialty. They came along with their parents to me while having a detachment or diabetic retinopathy. Later revealed that, sir, you have seen that time and it really stimulated the way you have treated it. Means by having a good nature and good way of handling the persons, other people, unknowingly or knowingly you are changing people. You believe in it. And if someone can adapt, okay, I will take up this cause of changing people, changing self and changing people, you are benefiting the society as such. Last time I put this slide, but I stopped at society level. This time I said it should be at global level. Because if I see even USA, which is world leader among the countries, is now deteriorating. Its integrity is getting deteriorated. Obama is going for a separation. What kind of a first person he is for USA? If he is getting diverse, what kind of standards he is going to set up for himself? We have seen him as a great leader, but without a personal values, you cannot stand as top. As simple as that. So now let us be less serious, because LDP is not serious issue at all. So we'll go through the people who have applied. 13 people we need to introduce.